Welcome learners for the lecture 27 of mathematical method. Today we are discussing about the some topic that will be depending on the differential equation, how to solution will be considered in the boundary condition as well as initial value. Let us go started getting as an example of this form. Okay, find the solution of a differential equation that is a del square u upon del x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t 0 to a considering to the value of x. T is always greater than or equals to 0. Satisfying the boundary condition will be given, that is u 0 t equals to 0 and t is a greater than 0, but del u upon del t 1 and t plus hu 1 t they getting as a value 0. T is greater than 0, the initial condition u x 0 equals to f of x 0 less than equals to x less than or equals to 1. Okay, in this equation for the example will be given, two condition will be generated. First is a boundary condition, they will be generating to the value that is a u 0 to t equals to 0, as well as the initial condition u x to 0 equals to f of x. For first condition t is greater than 0 and second condition 0 is less than or equals to x is less than or equals to 1. Okay, this value same as a condition will be given, that is a del square u upon del x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t. Okay, let us started as a solution of this differential equation. Given differential equation, del square u upon del x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t will be generated. Then this k transferring to the that side, that will be generated del u upon del t equals to k del square u upon del x square. This is equation first. Okay, satisfying to the boundary condition will be given, that is a u 0 t equals to 0 t greater than 0, that means given to the value del u upon del t 1 to t plus hu 1 to t equals to 0. This condition will be given when t is greater than 0. Okay, this is boundary condition. Then put up to the value of this equation, hence apply to the F1 rules on a both sides, that is a function of a Fourier finite transform del u upon del x n equals to k, function of a Fourier transform that will be the finite form f1 del square u upon del x square n. Then put up to the value when given to the equation to the form integration 0 to 1 del u upon del x cos xi n x dx equals to k is a common, same as a value, that is a integration 0 to 1 del square u upon del x square cos xi n x dx will be generated. Okay, put up to the form when applying to the rule of this equation. Okay, they will be generated. Then dx will be generating to the form of the equation generated to the value both of the side of the equation. D by dt integration 0 to 1, you consider cos of a xi in x dx equals to k integration 0 to 1 del square u upon del x square cos xi in x, considering to the value when dx will be transferred that side. Okay, since integration 0 to 1 u x t cos xi in x dx equals to u1 dash u1 star n. Okay, this value is generating to the form, means integration 0 to 1 u consider as a xt cos xi x dx. This is rooted as a form u1 star n. This is the equation second. Then put up all of this equation, means d by dt, put up this value u1 star n equals to k is the common integration 0 to 1 del square u upon del x square cos xi n x dx will be generated to the form. Okay, this value will be generating. Then use to the rule of this equation for putting to the value of a equation function of this form d by dt u1 star n equals to k u1 1 to t plus hu 1 to t to getting as a value cos xi n x minus xi square in n integration 0 to 1 u cos xi n x dx will be generated. Okay, both of this boundary condition is given, that is the k is generated. Since boundary condition is del u upon del x 1 to t plus hu 1 to t equals to 0, and equation second is also denoting to the form, that is a d by dt of a u1 star n equals to 0 minus this sign getted this form. Okay, minus xi square n u1 star n will be generated. Then put up to the value this u1 star is getting that side, means a d u1 star n upon u1 star n, this value will be generated. The minus xi square they generating to the form, that is a xi square in this dt transfer in that side. Okay, then after that integration of this form log will be generated to the log u1 star n equals to minus xi square n t plus log c1. Then same as a c1 is transferring this form, u1 star nt equals to a to the power minus xi square nt. This is given to the equation third because of giving to the value of this equation to generate it. From equation second, how to given to the value u1 star nt equals to c1 will be generated e to the power minus xi square nt. Then put up to the value t equals to 0 and that equation to generate it to the form that is a u1 star n t equals to 0 equals to c1 e to the power 0 equals to consider as a c1. This is equation 4, means a u1 star n0 equals to c1 value generated. Given condition is that u to the power x0 equals to f of x. Then u1 star n0 equals to f1 star n will be generated to the form. This generating value put it to the equation 4. Then given to the value is generated, that is a c1 equals to u1 n0 equals to that is a f1 star n. Okay, this value will be given to the equation. Then after that, this value of the c1 put it to the equation third, u1 star n t equals to f1 star n e to the power minus xi square n t will be generated to the form. Then all of this value will be generating this condition. Then put up to the value of a inverse formula of the Fourier transform. Then all value of a c1 as well as to the form of a f1 star, all this value put in this equation, that is a u n t equals to summation n equals to 1 to infinity c1 f1 star n cos xi n x. They consider to the limit of integration 0 to 1 for this value. Then put up all this value of this equation, that is a summation n equals to 1 infinity f1 star n e to the power minus xi square n t cos xi in x will be generated. This value of a c1 will be generating to the form, and all of this equation will be generated to the value of this form when c1 will be uses to the all this value. C1 will be uses is all this value, means that this value will be put it to the form, means f1 star generated to the value of this equation e to the power minus xi square nt. Okay, this value is the c1 value. This is your solution of this equation, or the formula will be given of this form. Okay, then get it as a next form that will be generating to the equation, that is a question 7. They solve to the Fourier sine transform of a cos AA. Okay, this all of this will be discussing in the previous lecture for all the solution of the same as a unit first, also depending on the Fourier transform, this value is also generated this form. Okay, this is the most important question to given to the exam point of view. Okay, then what is the solution of this equation? We know that function of the sine transform f of x equals to integration 0 to a f of x sine n pi x a upon dx will be generated to the form. You know that to the form f of x means a cos ax. Put up to the value function of a sine cos ax equals to integration 0 to a cos generating to the value ax into sine n pi x upon a dx. You know that a equals to pi will be given to the form. This value will be generated to the equation. Then put up integration 0 to pi, because of a equals to pi will be given. Okay, 0 to pi cos pi x into sine n pi x upon pi dx. Pi will be cancelling to the form, same of the condition. Then integration 0 to pi cos pi x into sine n dx will be generated. Then use to the rule cos a into cos sine b cos a into sine b, half of a sine a plus b plus sine b minus a will be generated. Same as the value will be put it to the sign of this form, cos ax equals to integration 0 to pi 1 by 2 generating sine. First will be given as a to x, ab will be generated, a to b will be generated, sine a plus n x plus sine n minus ax dx will be generated because formula will be given. Then 1 by 2 is a common in this form, integration 0 to pi generated to the value both of this equation when multiplied to the all this form of equation, that is a value will be generated and separated to the form. That first condition will be given, that is the half of a minus cos a plus n x upon a plus n, same as a minus of 1 by 2 cos n minus a x upon n minus a to the value will be generated 0 to a and first will be given to the form. Okay, means how to solve this equation? half of a plus n is a common, they getting as a value minus cos a plus n x pi will be generated, x to the value pi plus cos, considering this value is a 0, minus same as a condition half n minus a is a common, cos considering to the value n minus a into pi plus cos 0 will be generated. Then how to solve? Cos 0 is considered as a 1, this is also 1, and another value will be generated to the form for the cancelling, half of a minus cos a plus n pi plus 1, a plus n minus cos n minus a pi minus 1 n minus a, this value will be generated. Then half of a minus of a generating to the value, they generated to the condition for a cross multiplication, minus sign n minus a cos of a plus n pi plus generated to the value of this equation. Okay, same as a plus n minus a value will be generated, both of this condition. One is also multiply this minus same as a this cross multiply, a plus n cos n minus a pi plus a plus n into multiply of a n plus a n minus a. This value will be generated, means a half of a n square minus a square, this value for the expanding to the form and cancelling to the value for generated half of a n square minus a square, they generating to the multiply of this form and solving to the condition, means a function of a sine cos ax equals to 1 by this value will be generated in the both of this condition, and cancelling to the form of this condition, a minus a will be generated to the form half of a 2n minus 2n cos 2n pi upon 2 cos 2n pi upon 2, same as a value generated to the form, plus 2a sin 2n pi upon 2 to sine minus 2 a pi n pi a pi upon 2. Both of this value will be cancelling to the form. Okay, they generated as a, you know that the formula of the cos a plus cos b equals to 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2. Okay, cos a minus cos b 2 sin a plus b upon 2 into sin b minus a upon 2. In the cos minus will be given. Apply this rule in this equation of this form. Okay, 2n minus 2n cos n pi into cos n pi minus 2a sin n pi into sin n pi. Sin n pi equals to 0. Then all this value is a 0, only representing to the form, that is a 2 is a common to this condition, means a 2n is a common. Okay, only representing 1 minus cos n pi into cos n pi. Okay, these two cancelling to the form, only n upon n square minus a square 1 minus cos n pi into cos n pi, means solution will be given equals to n upon n square minus a square 1 minus, this is considered as a cos n pi minus 1 to the power n cos n pi will be generated to the. This is the solution of that equation, how to given to the function of the sine that will be generated in a cos form of the x.